Copilot for Microsoft 365. It's integrated into all the Microsoft 365 applications. What can it do specifically in Microsoft Word? You're going to find out in today's video by Safari Micro. Copilot in Microsoft Word ushers in a revolutionary phase of writing, harnessing the power of AI. It aids in transforming a bare page into a finished document in far less time than it would take to create the text manually. Although it may not always produce the exact content you need, it can sometimes be usefully incorrect, sparking valuable inspiration. Further, Copilot Chat can offer useful actions based on your document's content or fetch additional information from external sources. If you desire more generic content beyond what's present in your draft, Copilot Chat can be used to ask questions for research, brainstorming, or iterating, providing potential content to enhance your document. Whether you're starting a fresh document or enhancing an existing one, Copilot is there to assist you in making progress. When you initiate a new document or add a new line to a current one, the Draft with Copilot feature becomes available. Your instruction to Copilot can range from basic sentence to a more elaborate request involving outlines, notes, or files you'd like Copilot to consider. You could instruct Copilot to draft an essay on baseball or formulate a paragraph on time management as examples. For those possessing a Copilot for Microsoft 365 license, the Reference Your Content button enables you to search and include up to 3 of your previous files as guiding inputs for the content Copilot creates. In the composition box, typing a forward slash followed by the name of your file that you wish to refer to will refresh the file options displayed in the menu for selections. This function only refers to the files you choose, excluding any other organizational data. Once you proceed, Copilot will produce and exhibit new content accordingly. You have the option to keep it, discard it, or direct Copilot to regenerate different version. You also have the flexibility to revise your initial prompt, and you can use the forward and back buttons to browse through Copilot suggestions. In the Copilot composition box, provide specifics on how you'd like the response from Copilot to be altered. For instance, if you type, "make this more concise," Copilot will adjust its response based on your directive. In a document that already contains content, you can utilize the Inspire Me button to allow Copilot to continue writing for you, drawing inspiration from the content already present in the document. Transform with Copilot. At times, revising and editing your documents can be more challenging and time consuming than initially jotting down your ideas. Copilot not only assists you in creating fresh content, but also aids in revamping your existing content into something you can take pride in. With pre existing text in your document, highlight the portion you wish to rewrite or convert into a table. Click on the Copilot icon located in the left margin adjacent to your text. From the drop down menu, opt for Rewrite to receive rephrase alternatives from Copilot. You can further fine tune Copilot's output by selecting the Adjust Tone button or opt for Regenerate to get a new batch of responses. Once you've selected text in your document, you also have the option to present your text as a table. Click on the Copilot icon found in the left margin next to your text. From the drop-down menu, choose Visualize as a table to allow Copilot to format the text into a table. You have the option to select Regenerate for a new table or Discard to remove the generated table. You can refine the table by inputting specific instructions into Copilot's composition box about what changes you want in the table, such as add an empty third column. For both rewrite and visualize as a table, use the forward and back buttons to browse through Copilot suggestions. Chat with Copilot. You can access the Copilot panel by clicking on the Copilot icon located in the Home tab of the ribbon. This useful tool can respond to inquiries, whether general or specific, about your document. You can engage in iterative and refining dialogues, request summaries or specific details about the document's content, or instruct it to produce concepts, tables, or lists that you can directly copy and paste into your document. When creating summaries or answering queries about your document, Copilot will supply references along with citations indicating the source of its information. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the Safari Micro YouTube channel as we produce more videos on Copilot for Microsoft 365. And don't forget to follow me, Jeremy Wallace, on LinkedIn as I talk more about the Microsoft Cloud, including things like Azure and Microsoft 365 and the related